Hello Andrew, it's Paul here. I just want to show you your radio. I'm getting ready to button it back up again. Okay, it fought me all day today. I'm just waiting on one or two more little parts which are coming from Queensland, and it's part of the computer side to the new radio. All right, your radio, its display now reads, this is on channel 40. But it's going to flash up with 27, then 40, and that means you're on channel 40. If we go to channel 1, it'll type read out the frequency, which is 2696, and then go to channel 1. It does that on all frequencies. So the first is the frequency. So if we go to channel 12, it'll read 27, 10, and then the channel number 12. All right, so I just want to go through and give you an audio check. We're on a dummy load at the moment, and we're going to listen in on my GE. So testing 1 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to channel 40, which is what we're on. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. That's on AM. Go to lower sideband. Lower sideband. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2. Good clean audio. Lower sideband. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Alright, here we are. We're in upper sideband. We're in upper sideband on the other GE. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Checking 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, audio. Alright, so now we're going to do a frequency check. This is on channel 40. It should read 27405. I'm going to do a carrier. 27405. Alright, I'm going to go to channel 1, which should read 26965 on the frequency counter. So there's again a carrier. 26965, channel 1. Okay, so as just a summary, there was a lot of track damage underneath, and more issues came up today when I was trying to program the radio and get it all buttoned up early this morning. So replaced tracks on the top side of the board neatly. Did a lot of work underneath the board, replaced all the capacitors on the top and bottom of the board, replaced your RF cover with a shiny one and coated in lacquer, replaced the VCO, replaced the chip holder because I had to take the chip out, so I put a chip holder in. So now if anything happens, you can quickly remove the chip and replace it without any soldering. I'll just flip the radio over and show you the underneath. Alright, so again, underneath the radio, all of the capacitors have been coated in green on the top to show what I've done. Your new channel system, management system is in there against the wall, the chassis, as discussed in another video. And there we go. I will leave the faceplate protecting just tape on here until it's finally ready to put in the box. I'll just flip it back over. Alright, so there you have it. That's your radio. Tone high, tone low. You've got your RF gain on the outside and mic power on the outside, your squelch. Set that up. You had hardly any audio when I first got this, let alone any TX. So aligned all of the VCO, CBPA works. Okay, and the radio will default to channel 35 when I'm finished with it. So that's the plan now. So when you turn the radio on, it should go to channel 35. All right, I'll post this video and send you an email, Andrew. Thank you very much.